If you're like most couples, date night usually involves going to dinner and a movie, maybe some dancing, karaoke if you're super adventurous. But my husband and I, we like something a little bit louder. And by louder, I mean really loud. Welcome to date night. I'm really excited because tonight we're headed on a special date to Irwindale Speedway. It's located in LA County, and on Thursday night you get to actually watch and potentially even participate in amateur racing.
Yeah! It's big, bad T-Whopper. With an 862, 94 miles an hour.
Every Thursday night, any person who wants to race can bring their car, maybe a helmet, and $40 to race your car and check out and see your 1/8 mile time. There's also a chance that to do burnouts, you can actually do that for free. For me, the best thing about Irwindale Speedway is that you can eat funnel cake and participate in watching these races or even racing your own car, and it's all legal. Very cool and a great part of Southern California car culture. Tonight we're just planning to check out the drag racing, see what's going on in the pits, and also check out the burnout box and see if we can see somebody burning some rubber out there. I'm also checking out this track because I want to see if I should race my daily driver that I'm currently in right now. I'm thinking about taking my daily driver and seeing exactly how fast this car can go, but I'm not really sure if it's something that most people would approve of because it's not your typical fast car. I admit that I'm nearing the age of 40 now and I have never raced before, so this would be my first time ever racing. As a female racer, I don't really see a lot of women out there anyway, and I'm really curious if other women have started when they're older. So if you think this is something you might want to watch, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to be actually probably launching a new channel because this channel is usually about gardening, right? I'm going to be launching a new channel soon, so focused on all of these car events in Southern California, and maybe even my own racing start. So go ahead and follow along. We're going to have a great time tonight at Irwindale Speedway, checking out Thursday Night Thunder.
Was 721, 91 miles an hour. That Falcon was flying.
Oh, so that thing goes on that big heavy duty trailer.
That's super cool. Kenworth, is that from the 90s probably? Jumps out. The mad scientist. That's cool. It's got the paint job. Filming into the sun. I had to record over this part because they're still playing the same music that they played 20 years ago when I first started visiting. But yeah, they have the same taste in music.
Lights begin the drop, and they are gone in. Look at that whole shot. 7 over, that's 670. 680, 85, 79 miles an hour to an 1162 at 60 miles an hour. All right, 2-4 and 4 miles heading down track. And it's right there, definitely getting some smoke. Got a roll bar in that car as well, so we could see some good runs. It's a non-supercharged, has the scat pack option, which is a drag racing option for those cars. Take it on the Ford F-Series. Let's see what it does. Coyote motor in the Ford pickup truck. Hemi here in the Challenger. They're staged. Full stage. Here we go. But the Mustang, most famous with that chassis, so they're called box body Mustangs.
We're gonna get a motor.
Playing at the red line with 646 to 689. 110 the world.
I can never resist looking at any Camaro from the 60s. I think they're all beautiful and definitely one of my favorite cars. Do you have a car that you always gravitate to when you look at the classic car shows? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what your favorite car is.
Are you the original owner?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, that's super cool.
How many miles on it?
Oh gosh, 250,000.
Oh my god.
And it's still running like that? Wow.
Yeah, let's get through a few motors.
Yeah. That is so crazy.